This is my favorite sandwich ever. This actually isn't entirely my idea. I go to this coffee shop and they have this sandwich called the Parisian. However, it's $8. Who has the coin? To save some money, I make it myself. You're gonna need a baguette, ham, butter, Dijon mustard, pea shoots, mozzarella cheese. Now, let's talk bread for a moment. Bread choice really matters. Don't ever get the store-bought bread that looks like this. It simply is trash. I'm sorry, it's trash. I think baguette works the best for this sandwich. First, cut the bread in half lengthwise. Don't come for me for not using a bread knife. I can't be bothered to buy a bread knife at the moment. Anyways, you can also substitute this with regular sourdough bread. Next, we're gonna spread butter on one side and Dijon mustard on the other. This step is also very important. Do not skimp on the butter or the Dijon mustard. When you're making a sandwich, it's very important to balance the textures. Breads tend to be very dry. We balance that out by, in this case, adding butter to add more moisture back. That's kind of my 2 cents on sandwich making. Next, slice the mozzarella cheese to your desired width. This is probably the most time-consuming part because the mozzarella cheese is very slimy, but very worth it for the flavor. Also, a note on ham. Don't even go near that ham in those boxes. Don't even go near it. It's just not the same. I grew up on those, trust me, I know. After becoming an adult, my eyes have been opened. You need to get the ham that they cut for you. It comes in like this big, I don't know what you call it, like ham lump. This type of ham has so much more flavor, you'll thank me later. Next, we're going to place the mozzarella cheese on top. For the pea shoots, you're just gonna stack it on the top. I also like to be very liberal with my pea shoots. Ladies and gentlemen, her. She is a very handsome sandwich indeed. There has never been a sandwich that has quite swept me off my feet like this one. I feel like I'm writing like a love letter to the sandwich, which it deserves because it's so amazing, so reliable, so good. I nailed it. Nailed it right in the head. Well, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!